Span America offers optional transport dollies to fit each of its bed models for convenient in-facility bed relocation and storage. With both dollies securely in place, the bed is then tipped onto its side and able to pass through narrow doorways, safely navigate facility hallways and elevators. Handy and compact, they can be easily attached to the frame and stored away when not in use. For busy maintenance staff, the dollies also provide safe, comfortable access to under-bed components. Span America, where better science means better care.